You clicked on the introductory video, and you're watching the video now. The deal about the video, I just want to just briefly go through this, and it's really about, paying attention to the material that was being covered here. And this is Math 119. And part of this is just being prepared for Math 119. So I want to claim that if you feel like you did not get a proper background in Math 100, you may want to go back and review that, time permitting, of course. If you don't have the time to do that, you might have to cut your losses. But the bottom line is that an education really requires you to put a lot of time into your studies. So I'm going to click this link over here. This is the Math 100 website link. And I know it's overwhelming for students. They're looking and saying, what do I need to do now? What you need to do now is know there's a resource available to you. And the resource, this is a web page site that's a resource for you. But the most important thing on this website over here is, not that it's for my students in Math 100, you're in Math 119, is the document. I'll click on it, I'll show you what it looks like. And it's going to open up a Dropbox. I'm going to expand the window. And what this would allow you to do is, basically look at what the content of Math 100 is. And the deal about this one over here is if you're looking at it and you needed help with a particular topic, you could go to those topics to get help with it. Look, let's say, for example, you had a tough time with word problems. Maybe you want to go this section over here, right? Now, there's a lot of sections over here. Linear inequality, exponents, polynomials, yada, yada, yada. All right, now let me just kind of scroll through it. I know it's quickly, but you have access to the document. We're not charging for it. You just go there and get it. And it's a long document. Right now, it's at almost 300 pages long. But you have access to it. So if you want to, you can do that. All right, let me keep going. Ooh, look at this, parabolas. Let's say you need help with parabolas that were covered in Math 100. Click on that link. It'll bring you right there. There'll be little tiny lecture material there for you. There'll be little videos on the side. You can click on those videos if you want. A video will open up. Let me just briefly show you how this works. Click this, the play button. You can expand the window. And that'll play for you. I'm going to stop it now. And what I want to do is just go back, close this out, and just let you know it's available to you. If it's for students that have a tough time to reading, they can watch me talk through the problem instead of reading the problem. But you can also read, all right? So there's all kinds of videos introduced to the notes over here. There's examples, a little video on the side of me working that particular example, as though I was in a classroom with you, all right? So someone says, well, what is this going to do for me? Well, maybe it'll help you learn the material. Then, of course, there's homework. And there's no videos associated with the homework. I'll tell you how to get videos for homework in a moment. But, oh, yeah, there are some videos. I'm sorry. There was some videos there. Usually there's no videos. There's something about SAGE. That's something you're going to hear me say a lot in class about a computer algebra system. And I think that's about it for that section over there. Yeah, I think that's it. So, again, if you need to review, go back and review. Thank you.